Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna do something a little different. A lot of you ask me how I scored such a high marks in my boards. If you ask me my 10th board percentage, it was 93% and I'm fully satisfied with these marks. So I thought I would share some tips and tricks that really helped me out. So these are some topics about which I'm gonna discuss in this video. So let's get started. So the first topic is preparation. Start strong. अभी से शुरू करो. Last minute का इंतजार मत करो. The earlier you start preparing, the more chill you will be feeling later. Be NCERT वाला. Your NCERT books are best friends for exams. समझ के पढ़ो. Understand the concepts, not just memorize. Notes बनाने का जुगाड़. Making notes is a superpower. Find a way to take notes that works for you. Diagrams, flowcharts, whatever help you to recall things quickly. Now our second topic is mastering the game. Textbook Ninja. Solve all the questions in your textbook. This will boost your confidence and cover a lot of ground. Sample papers. Practice all sample papers and mock test. Prepare yourself to get used to exam pressure. Doubt come karo. Clear your doubts as soon as possible. Don't be shy to ask your teachers or friends for help. Now I'm gonna discuss the most asked topic, exam time hacks. Now the first and the important point is be chill and focused. Getting stressed won't help. Take deep breath and stay focused during the exam. Read करो फिर से पढ़ो. Read the question carefully before jumping in. Reread it if you want to. Now the third and the most important point is time management. Proper time management is the key. Plan your approach for each section wisely. And this is the question asked by most of the students, that do presentation matters? Yes, presentation matters. Make sure your handwriting is neat and your answers are well structured. Now I'm gonna clear the last two myths that is most common. First is one bad exam ruins everything. So बिल्कुल नहीं, not at all. Everyone makes mistake. Board exams are just one step in our journey. If you don't do well on one exam, it doesn't define your whole future. And the third myth is toppers have some secret formula. Sapna hai, that's a dream. The truth is most toppers use a combination of the strategies we have already talked about. Remember, याद रखना, board exams are important, but they are not everything. Now I'm gonna share one bonus tip with you all. Believe in yourself. Positivity is a superpower. Back yourself to do well and you will be surprised what you can achieve. That's all from me for today. I hope these tips help you to smash your board exams. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more videos. Thank you.